To buy Pepe coin on Trust Wallet, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet or recover an existing one. After setting up your wallet, navigate to the dashboard and click on the browser icon, which will direct you to the in-app browser. In the browser, go to a reputable decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap or DEX. On the DEX website, connect your Trust Wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button and selecting Trust Wallet from the list of available wallets. Once connected, search for Pepe coin in the search bar and select the Pepe coin token. Then, click on the Swap button to initiate the transaction. In the From field, select the token you want to use to buy Pepe coin, such as BNB or USDT. Enter the amount you want to spend and the app will automatically calculate the amount of Pepe coin you will receive. Review the transaction details, including the amount, gas fee, and slippage tolerance, to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with the details, confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. After the transaction is confirmed, go back to your Trust Wallet dashboard and you should see your Pepe coin balance updated. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency can be risky and it is crucial to do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, always ensure you are using a reputable decentralized exchange and a secure wallet like Trust Wallet to protect your assets. By following these steps, you can buy Pepe coin on Trust Wallet and start your cryptocurrency journey.